Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at a wonderful blue cat diamond painting kit I bought from Fgnormal in July 2022. I loved working on the deep blue shades of diamonds in this full round blue cat. I bought this mysterious blue cat for $6.03 from Fgnormal in July of 2022 and received it 16 days later. As of June 2024, after discount, the kit is $6.35. The canvas is advertised at 30 by 40 centimeters, or about 11 3/4 inches by 15 3/4 inches. The pattern is advertised at 24 by 34 centimeters, or about 9.5 inches by 13.5 inches. When I measure the canvas, it's just a little smaller than advertised, but very close. The blue cat pattern labeled A384 has 24 colors with DMC equivalents in the legend. I finished the cat in 24 hours, working on it in April and May 2024. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I loved working on this deep blue and green confetti-filled cat pattern. Of course, I love cat patterns in general. But after working on Erdem's fall-winter tedious orange and gray diamond painting at the end of 2022, I was worried that I was going to get tired of the deep blues and greens in this blue cat pattern. Not to worry, I didn't lose interest in the colors in this pattern. I enjoyed every diamond. Because of all the confetti, I missed diamonds all over. So I worked with a couple of trays of diamonds to make it easier to fill in the blank spots. The blue cat from Fgnormal was just the right amount of challenge and relaxation. Do you like the deep blues and greens on this pattern? Do you like confetti-filled patterns with lots of color changes all over, or do you prefer consistent blocks of the same color on your patterns? What do you look for when hunting for diamond paintings? Are you finishing a set of patterns, maybe a set of dragons or cats or gnomes? Or do you look for something different each time you shop and listen to see if a new type of diamond painting will call to you? Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafts.